So let's talk about what will happen if a line and a plane intersect. So say there are three situations where this can happen. So the plane and the line intersect at one point. Imagine this as we have a plane, and similarly we have a line which actually just go through it. So this line go through this sort of plane, and we have one point intersection. Another type is when two lines are parallel. So here we also have another plane. Let's say to put the plane red, right? Put the plane red, and imagine that this plane does not just stay in this area, but it actually extend all the way through. And here we have a line that just go above it. So it is parallel to this line, probably to one end line on the plane is parallel to this line, but these two, they do not touch. Right, so they do not touch. So parallel but no intersect. Right, so these two do not touch. This is the plane, this is the line. A funny thing, the last thing is where they parallel, and the line is actually inside the plane. So here we have the plane. Okay, yep, and the line is inside this plane. So the line lies here. This is the line. The line is inside that plane. And what is interesting about this is that we can also actually find whether this or this happen by working out using the formula of the vectors. Let me show you how you're supposed to do it. Let's say you're asked to find if the line 2, 3, 1 and 1 plus mu 1, 0, 1, 2 is intersect with the plane of 5x minus y plus z equal to 3. So you want to find the intersection of these two, say these two, this plane and this line, and from this one you have x being equal to 2 because mu times 0 is 0, y is equal to 3 plus mu, z is 1 plus 2 mu, and if you replace it here you can actually find mu, and once you find mu you can actually find the point. So here we have 10 minus so 3 minus mu plus 1 plus 2 mu being equal to 3. So here we have 7, 8, so 3 minus 5. So mu is equal to minus 5. Now if you replace it here, you can actually find the point where these two intersect. That's how you find the intersection of a line and a plane. Now what if these two lines are parallel? So how do you realize if they are parallel? Now let's say this is a line and a plane. So from this plane you can find the normal of the plane, which is 2, 4 and 5. And remember that this normal is perpendicular with the plane. If these two are, say, parallel, one thing that is very special, so say if the plane is perpendicular to this line, then this must also be perpendicular to this line, because these two are parallel. Let's see if these two are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, their scalar, so that's the scalar product, must be equal to 0 in order for cos theta to be equal to 90. So theta is equal to 90, and this we have 3 times 2 plus 1 times 4 minus 2 times 5. Now this is equal to 0. 10, 4 and 6. 6 plus 4 minus 10 equals 0. So these two are perpendicular, these two are perpendicular, so these two are parallel. So this line is parallel with this plane. Now the question is, if these two are parallel, what would happen if, so whether this thing is in this or are they not? The question here is we have to find to see if this line is in the plane or if this line is not in the plane. Now to check if the line is in the plane, what you can do is you can try different values. So here let's take t as a number, so let's take t as 1. So we have this is equal to 5 plus 2 minus 2. You replace it here. We have 10 plus 8. We have 2 this is minus 10 equal to 8. Correct. Alright, so if t is equal to 1, this is equal to 8. So, that shows that when t is equal to 1, the point is in the plane. Now, if a point is in the plane, and this line is also parallel to this plane, that is enough evidence to show that this line actually lies inside this plane. So when you try a point and see that if it is in the plane, and if it is also parallel, you know that the line is in the plane. Now if here, say this is minus 3 and not 2, so if here's minus 3, here's minus 15, and this would not be 8, so this would have been 3. So if this is 3, this is not the same as 8, and so that is when you also know that this, even though they are parallel, they are not, this line is not inside the plane. So that is basically what the intersection of a line and a plane can be, and how you know them in by using numbers and calculations.